civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the following counties or areas: Houston, Alabama, at 4:35 p.m. on June 3, 2010, effective until 7 a.m. Civil danger warning due to damage associated with the recent hurricane to Unit 2 of the Joseph M. Farley nuclear generating plant. Radiological release may be present. At this time, you should shelter in place immediately. Turn off all devices that draw air in from the outdoors. Await further instructions as this situation is being taken care of.